Hey there, foodies. Today, we're talking about some of the best greens to use in salads. First up, we have the red on green flowering kale and Nagoya young leaves. These are firm textured with a cabbage-like flavor that's especially good in warm salads. Next, we have the green romaine, which has a distinctive lettuce flavor and is perfect for all kinds of salads. If you're looking for something with a faint beet-like flavor, try out the red chard's young leaves. They're tender and delicious in warm salads. For a firmer texture and another cabbage-like flavor, check out the white flowering kale, peacock's young leaves, or Nagoya young leaves. Watercress is perfect if you want to add some spiciness to your salad. It pairs well with other greens, meats, and even fruits like citrus. Mizuna is a Japanese green with a delicate, mild mustard taste that works well in any salad. And if you're feeling adventurous, give arugula a try. It's also known as roquette rocket and has a range of flavors from mild and nutty to peppery. We have Cheville. This green has a slight licorice taste that pairs well with other greens in all kinds of salads. So there you have it, folks. Some of the best greens to use in salads that are sure to elevate your next meal. We have frisee. These blanched leaves of finely curled endive are slightly bitter but pair perfectly with citrus, nuts, and cheese. Next, we have dandelion greens. These leaves are distinctly bitter but are excellent in combination with other greens. They're especially good in a warm salad with strong flavors like anchovies, smoked bacon, and sharp cheeses. Sorrel has a mild citrus flavor with a faintly sour taste. It's a great addition to salads of all kinds. Escarole is succulent and slightly nutty, making it perfect to pair with fruits, nuts, lettuce, and greens of all kinds. Red orich has succulent leaves with a tart tang that adds a unique flavor to any salad. Savory spinach has juicy, knuffled leaves with a mild spinach flavor. It's a versatile green that can be used in salads of all kinds, including warm salads. Red Asian mustard has young leaves with a faint sharp mustard flavor. It's a great choice for mixed salads of all kinds, especially when paired with mizuna and young lettuce. We have Belgian endive. The blanched leaves are sweet and succulent when the tips are green, but the flavor is bitter. It's excellent on its own or in combination with other greens, fruits, nuts, and cheese. We have Lollo rossa. This heavily ruffled leaf has a light crunchy texture and a distinct lettuce flavor that pairs well with any salad. Next, we have green chard. Its young leaves are firm with a slight spinach-like flavor, making it especially good in warm salads. Moving on to red Belgian endive. Its blanched leaves are sweet and succulent, and it doesn't turn green like regular Belgian endive. Use it in any recipe that calls for regular Belgian endive. Green oak leaf lettuce is an open-headed type with a mild, grassy flavor that's perfect for any salad. Now, let's talk about make, also known as corn salad or lamb's lettuce. Its succulent texture and delicate flavor make it perfect for light dressings and in combination with Belgian endive and nuts. Red flavored kale has young leaves that are firm textured with a cabbage-like flavor. It's especially good in warm salads. Mustard greens. Its very young leaves have a crunchy texture and a slightly tangy cabbage flavor that pairs well with other greens. It's especially good in warm salads. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more foodie content.